Hello children. In this video we will be starting with Unit 2 Logic Gates. Before starting with logic gates, I would like you to understand what Boolean algebra is. Now, for many centuries, scientists and mathematicians have spent to find the relation between mathematics and logic. There was one scientist, one mathematician known as George Boole, who discovered a link between this mathematics and logic. In the year 1854, he called it as symbolic logic, which became useful to solve logical problems in mathematics known as Boolean algebra. Now, Boolean algebra deals with either of the two values. True or false. True is represented by 1 and false is represented by 0. So Boolean algebra is basically which deals with two values 0 and 1. Now, truth table. Truth table, it is a tabular structure. Which shows the input values used and the output produced during any logical process. It is a tabular structure which shows the input values used and the output produced during any logical process. So the input values may be 2 or more than 2, but there will be only one output. Now these input values and output can be in the form of true and false. Now these values which we are entering or which we are getting as output are called as binary valued quantities. Binary valued quantities. Why are they called as binary valued quantities? Because they can either be true or false. There can be only two values. Binary means 2. So true means 1 and false means 0. So these are called as a truth table is a tabular structure which shows binary valued quantities in the input, and some logical operation is performed on this and we get output which are also binary valued quantities. So a Boolean variable is also termed as a binary valued variable. In the previous video we had discussed about propositions. Here we are dealing with Boolean variables. So we have converted the proposition into a variable. A, B, C, all these are known as variables, Boolean variables. Now we come to logical operators. Boolean algebra has only 3 logical operators: not, and, or. These are the 3 logical operators on which Boolean algebra work on. The first is the logical not. This operator provides the complement of the given binary valued quantity. That is, if the input is 0, the output is 1. If the input is 1, the output is 0. How do we make a truth table of it? Let us take the variable as A. The input values can either be 0 or 1. Either of these. This is how a truth table made. For not we write A bar, or we can write A complement. It means the same. So when input is 0, output is 1. When input is 1, output is 0. This is the truth table of logical not. Next comes logical OR. This operator results in logical addition of binary valued quantity. It is represented by a plus sign. Now logical addition of binary valued quantity means what? When the binary valued quantities are 0, when both are 0, output is 0. When the first one is 0 and the second one is 1, output is 1. First one is 1 and output is 0, we get 1. And when both are true, we get 1. This is called as logical OR. It follows the addition rules. Okay. Now I am going to draw a truth table for two variable OR operator, A or B. For two variables there will be 4 input combinations like this, and the output will be 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 1 again. This is logical OR. Next comes logical AND. Logical AND, this operator results in product of two or more binary value quantities. It results in a dots. It is denoted by a dot sign. That means 0 and 0. We call it as 0 and 0 is 0. 0 and 1 is 0 again. 1 and 0 is 0 again. And 1 and 1 is 1. This is logical AND. The truth table for this will be like this. I am drawing the truth table. First I am writing the binary valued quantities for the inputs. 0 and 0 is 0. This is 0, this is 0, and this is 1. So this is the truth table for logical AND. Please have a look at them again. I hope it is clear now. This is for logical NOT, this is for logical OR, and the third one, this is for logical AND. So these are the 3 logical operators on which Boolean algebra work upon. Thank you, children.